everyone, it's Christina, and today we have a short pranayama in the form of nadi shodhana, which is alternate nostril breathing. So all we're going to do is bring the first two fingers into the palm just like this. The last two fingers are going to be exposed as well as the thumb. We're going to use the thumb and the ring finger to alternate closing one nostril at a time. But I would recommend that as you leave one nostril open, you actually close it just a little bit so that we restrict the amount of airflow that can come through and helps us to elongate the breath, if that makes sense, like a straw, closing the straw just a little bit. So we're going to start inhaling on the left, exhaling on the right. Then we're going to swap. Inhale on the right, exhale on the left. And nadi shodhana simply cleanses the nadis, which are the internal pathways of the body. And so this is a great way to practice. You can literally do this any time of day. I do this literally all throughout the day. You can do it even in the car, in the bathroom, before a meeting when you need to kind of just relax yourself, but also give yourself some bright and clear energy. So we're gonna start. First two fingers into the palm, and we're gonna inhale on the left. Close the left, exhale on the right. Inhale on the left again. Exhale on the right. Inhale on the left. Exhale on the right. Inhale on the left. Exhale right. Inhale left. Exhale right. Inhale left. Exhale right. Inhale left. Exhale right. Now we're going to switch. Inhale right. Exhale left. 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 Okay, drop the hand and just let your breath come back to normal. And that was it. Just a quick 5-minute pranayama you can literally do any time of day. I love you guys.